Top 5 Best and Powerful Book to Read as Soon as Possible by Rupesh Mandhyani. Book number 1. The Psychology of Money, Timeless Lessons on Wealth, Greed, and Happiness. Doing well with money isn't necessarily about what you know. It's about how you behave. And behavior is hard to teach, even to really smart people. The author shares 19 short stories exploring the strange ways people think about money and teaches you how to make better sense of one of life's most important matters. Book number 2. Atomic Habits. People say when you want to change your life, you need to set big goals. But they're wrong. World-renowned habits expert James Clear has discovered a simpler system for transforming your life. A supremely practical and useful book. James Clear distills the most fundamental information about habit formation, so you can accomplish more by focusing on less. Book number 3. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind is one of the most promising self-improvement books that you can gift to yourself or your loved ones. This book is designed to help you improve your relationships, health, and also to give you an internal strength that makes every hurdle look small. Book number 4. Ever wondered how life would be if we could condition our minds to think and grow rich? Author Napoleon Hill claims to have based this book on 20 years of rigorous research on the lives of those who had amassed great wealth and made a fortune.
Book number 5.
Rich Dad Poor Dad is Robert's story of growing up with two dads, his real father and the father of his best friend, his rich dad, and the ways in which both men shaped his thoughts about money and investing. The book explodes the myth that you need